everyone, I am Vagdevi Adisumili. Today I am here to present about our course project in information retrieval subject with the title called Enhancing Information Retrieval with Parts of Speech Tagging, and my teammates are Karthik Anne and Shravani Jakula. Topics to be covered in this presentation are that I am going to start with introduction, then moving to what is parts of speech tagging, and then explaining about the importance of parts of speech in information retrieval, then going to applications of parts of speech tagging in information retrieval, and then challenges and considerations for parts of speech tagging in information retrieval. Next, parts of speech tagging techniques, and then future directions, and lastly, conclusion. Okay, now let's start with introduction. What is parts of speech tagging? Assigning a particular part of speech to every word in a phrase is known as parts of speech tagging, and it is a key job in natural language processing, which is called NLP. When it comes to information retrieval, parts of speech tagging is essential for increasing the relevancy and accuracy of search results for the queries, and the importance of parts of speech tagging in information retrieval and its applications are discussed in this presentation. Now let's see in detail about parts of speech. Parts of speech tagging is a important process within the field of natural language processing, where each word in a given text is assigned a specific grammatical category or parts of speech, such as noun, verb, adjective, adverb, etc. This process aids in understanding the structure and cinematic meaning of sentences, enabling computers to understand human language more effectively. In the context of information retrieval, parts of speech tagging assumes a paramount role in refining search mechanisms and augmenting the quality of retrieved information. Within the IR systems, accurate comprehension of user queries and the document content is imperative for developing relevant search results. By incorporating parts of speech tagging, search engines can better interpret both queries and the documents, thereby enhancing their ability to match user intent with relevant content. For instance, distinguishing between different parts of speech in a query can help the user intent, leading to more precise search results. Furthermore, parts of speech tagging provides advanced query expansion techniques. By analyzing the parts of speech in terms within the query, relevant synonyms or related terms can be identified and incorporated to broaden the scope of the search, thereby improving recall and ensuring that documents are not overlooked. Moreover, in the indexing phase of information retrieval, parts of speech tagging allows for more granular categorization and organization of documents based on the linguistic features. By tagging documents with parts of speech information, IR systems can index and retrieve information more effectively, facilitating faster and more accurate retrieval processes. In summary, parts of speech tagging is not a merely linguistic annotation task but serves as a foundational component in enhancing the performance of IR systems. Okay, now let's start with what is parts of speech tagging. Let's go with the definition. A portion of speech adding the appropriate component of speech like noun, verb, adjective, adverb to each word in a phrase is known as tagging. It facilitates comprehension of sentence grammar. Take the statement like the cat sat on the mat, where cat is the noun, the is the determiner, sat is the verb, and on is the preposition. Now let's talk about parts of speech in detail. Parts of speech tagging is a fundamental process in natural language processing that involves assigning specific grammatical categories in the parts of speech. These parts of speech includes different components as I mentioned above, like verb, noun, adjective, adverb, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. The primary goal of parts of speech tagging is to provide a syntactic analysis of text, aiding in understanding the structure and meaning of sentences. In more detail, parts of speech tagging operates by employing a predefined set of tags corresponding to different parts of speech. These tags are assigned to words based on linguistic patterns and context. And then, in the context of information retrieval, parts of speech tagging enhances the accuracy and relevance of search results by aiding in query understanding, document indexing, and the relevance ranking. By identifying the different parts of speech in the user query and in the documents, search engines can better match user intent with relevant content, leading to more effective retrieval outcomes, which is most necessary thing in information retrieval. To conclude this, parts of speech tagging is a crucial component of NLP that assigns parts of speech to words in a sentence, enabling syntactic analysis and enhancing the performance of various language pre-processing tasks and processing tasks, including information retrieval. Now let's start with importance of parts of speech tagging in information retrieval. Parts of speech tagging plays an important role in information retrieval by significantly improving the accuracy and relevance of search results. Its importance can be understood through several key aspects. One of such aspect is enhancing search accuracy. Search engines may deliver more relevant results by comprehending the grammatical structure of queries and content, where parts of speech tagging enables search engines to understand the grammatical structure of user queries and documents, leading to more precise interpretation and matching of user intent with relevant content. By considering the parts of speech of query terms and documents text, search engines can provide more accurate and contextually relevant search results. Parts of speech tagging facilitates the process of separating out unclear phrases in queries, which improves the query's comprehension and retrieval. Parts of speech tagging facilitates the process of advanced query expansion by allowing the detection of similar terms based on their parts of.
Hi, I am Karthik Anne and I am going to continue the presentation of our course project, and I am starting with applications of POS tagging in IR. In the realm of information retrieval, parts of speech tagging serves as a versatile tool with numerous applications, each contributing to the reinforcement and optimization of such processes. Below are detailed explanations of some key applications of POS tagging in IR. The first one is query understanding. POS tagging plays a crucial role in enhancing the understanding of user queries. By analyzing the grammatical structure of queries and identifying the parts of speech of query terms, IR systems can better grasp the intent and context behind user search queries. This allows for more accurate interpretation of user intent, enabling search engines to provide more relevant and contextually appropriate search results. For instance, distinguishing between different parts of speech can help disambiguate ambiguous terms, ensuring that search results align closely with the user's intended meaning. And the second one was document indexing. POS tagging facilitates the efficient indexing and categorization of documents based on their linguistic features. By tagging documents with POS information, IR systems can organize and retrieve information more effectively. This granular categorization allows for more precise indexing, enabling users to locate relevant documents more efficiently. Moreover, POS tagging can aid in the identification of key concepts and entities within documents, further enhancing the retrieval process. The third one was query expansion. POS tagging enables advanced query expansion techniques, thereby broadening the scope of the search and improving recall. By identifying related terms based on their systatic roles, IR systems can expand user queries with additional terms that share similar parts of speech. This expansion enriches the query with semantically relevant variations, increasing the likelihood of retrieving comprehensive and diverse search results. As a result, users are more likely to encounter relevant documents, even if their initial query terms do not precisely match the content of those documents. And the last one was relevance ranking. Incorporating POS information into relevance ranking algorithms can significantly impact the ranking of search results. Documents that exhibit coherent grammatical structures and employ relevant parts of speech matching the query terms may be ranked higher, indicating their potential relevance to the user's information needs. By considering the linguistic quality of documents, IR systems can prioritize search results that not only contain relevant content but also present it in linguistically coherent manner, thereby enhancing the overall search experience for users. These applications highlight the multifaceted role of POS tagging in IR, demonstrating its ability to enhance query understanding, optimize document indexing, facilitate query expansion, and improve relevance ranking. By leveraging POS tagging techniques, IR systems can efficiently bridge the gap between user queries and relevant documents, ultimately leading to more accurate, comprehensive, and satisfying search experiences. Now we can see the challenges and considerations. While parts of speech tagging offering significant benefits in information retrieval, its implementation also poses several challenges and considerations that must be addressed to ensure optimal performance and effectiveness. Below are detailed explanations of some key challenges and considerations associated with POS tagging in IR. The first one was ambiguity. One of the primary challenges in POS tagging is the inherent ambiguity present in natural language. Many words can function as multiple parts of speech depending on context, making accurate tagging challenging. For example, the word bank can be a noun referring to a financial institution or a verb referring to the act of inclining. Resolving such ambiguities requires sophisticated algorithms capable of contextual analysis and disambiguation. Additionally, domain specific terms and colloquial language further exacerbate the challenge of ambiguity in POS tagging. And the next one was language dependency. POS tagging systems may perform differently for different languages due to a variation in grammar, syntax, and linguistic structures. Languages with rich morphology or flexible word order may pose additional complexities for POS tagging algorithms. Moreover, the availability of annotated corpora and linguistic resources varies across languages, affecting the development and performance of POS tagging models. Addressing language specific challenges requires language specific approaches and resources, making POS tagging a language dependent task in IR. And the next one is computational complexity. POS tagging can be computationally intensive, especially when dealing with large datasets or real time processing requirements. Traditional rule based tagging approaches may suffer from scalability issues, while statistical and machine learning based methods require significant computational resources for training and inference. Moreover, the need for context sensitive tagging further increase the computational complexity of POS tagging algorithms. Efficient algorithms and optimization techniques are essential to mitigate computational overhead and ensure timely processing of queries and documents in IR systems. And the next one is error propagation. Errors introduced during POS tagging can propagate throughout the information retrieval pipeline, leading to suboptimal search results. Inaccurate POS tagging may result in incorrect query interpretation, flawed document indexing, and biased relevance ranking. Error propagation can diminish the overall effectiveness of IR systems and undermine user satisfaction. Therefore, robust error handling mechanisms and quality assurance producers are essential to minimize the impact of tagging errors on search outcomes. Addressing these challenges and considerations is crucial for harnessing the full potential of POS tagging in IR. By developing robust algorithms, leveraging language specific resources, optimizing computational efficiency, and implementing error mitigation strategies, IR systems can overcome the challenges associated with POS tagging and realize the benefits in enhancing search accuracy, query understanding, and relevance ranking.
Hi everyone, this is Shravani. As a part of the team presentation, I am going to explain the post tagging techniques. In the realm of natural language processing, various techniques are employed for parts of speech tagging, each with its own advantages and limitation. Understanding these techniques is essential for effectively implementing POS tagging in information retrieval systems. So below are the detailed explanations of some key POS tagging techniques. The first one, that is the rule-based tagging. Rule-based POS tagging relies on predefined linguistic rules and patterns to assign POS tags to words in a sentence. These rules are typically based on the grammatical structures, word morphology, and synthetic patterns observed in the language. So next one, that is the statistical tagging. Statistical POS tagging utilizes machine learning algorithms trained on annotated corpora to prospectively predict POS tags for words in a sentence. These algorithms learn statistical patterns and dependency between words and their corresponding POS tags from labeled training data. The next one, that is the hybrid approaches. Hybrid POS tagging approaches combine elements for both rule-based and statistical methods to leverage their respective strength. These approaches often use rule-based to handle common linguistic patterns and exceptions, while incorporating statistical models to capture contextual nuances and dependency. Choosing the most suitable POS tagging technique for a particular IR application depends on factors such as language complexity, available resources, domain specific requirements, and performance constraints. By understanding the characteristics and the trade off to different POS tagging techniques, IR practitioners can make informed decisions to optimize the effectiveness and efficiency of POS tagging in their systems. So, now let's talk about the future direction. The future of parts of speech tagging in information retrieval holds promising avenues for innovation and advancement. Several key directions are shaping the evolution of POS tagging techniques and their integration into IR systems. The first one, that is the integration with semantic search. One promising direction is the integration of POS tagging with semantic search techniques. By combining POS information with semantic analysis, IR system can achieve deeper understanding of user queries and document content. This integration enables more interpretation of language, allowing search engines to grasp more expressions and semantic relationship between the words. So the next one, that is the multilingual POS tagging. Another important area of development is multilingual POS tagging, which aims to develop POS tagging models that are robust across multiple languages. Multilingual POS tagging also facilitates cross-lingual information retrieval, enabling users to search for information in languages they are less proficient in, thereby promoting inclusivity and accessibility. So the next one, that is the deep learning approaches. Deep learning techniques, particularly neural networks, hold promise for advancing POS tagging in IR. Deep learning models have demonstrated remarkable capabilities in capturing complex patterns and dependency in language data, leading to state-of-the-art performance in various NLP tasks. So the next one, that is the user-centric design. Beyond technical advancements, future development in POS tagging should also prioritize user-centric design principle. This involves understanding user needs, preferences, and behavior to tailor POS tagging techniques and IR systems accordingly. So here comes the conclusion of this presentation. Parts of speech tagging emerges as a critical component in the landscape of information retrieval, offering significant potential for enhancing search accuracy, query understanding, and relevance ranking. Throughout this presentation, we have explored the importance of POS tagging in IR and its diverse applications across various stages of the retrieval process. From user queries to indexing documents and ranking search results, POS tagging enables IR systems to better comprehend the human language and deliver more relevant search experience. By leveraging POS tagging techniques, IR practitioners can optimize search processes, improve user satisfaction, and unlock new possibilities for information discovery and retrieval. Looking ahead, the future of POS tagging in IR holds exciting prospects for innovation and advancements. From integrating POS tagging with semantic search to leveraging deep learning approaches and prioritizing user centric design, there are ample opportunities to enhance the capabilities and usability of IR system. As we navigate the evolving landscape of information retrieval, let us continue to explore, innovate, and collaborate to harness the full potential of POS tagging in delivering seamless and effective search experience for users worldwide. So, thank you all for your attention and participation.